back to News Party Carter, and today I have a special visitor here. Answer your name. Ite. She is my cousin, and she slept over with me at a very fun summer party. And we are going to be making some slime, but it won't be glitter slime. This is glitter slime, as you can see. But we are going to be making Christmas holiday slime. So yeah, let's just get right on to the video. Okay, guys. First things you're going to need is a container. A mixing tool, one for me and her, some Elmer's glue, some glitter, because we're going to be making Christmas holiday slime, and some detergent. So first things first, we add our glue. Here you add it. I love that noise, it hurts. And special life hack. A special life hack, when you guys are done using glue bottles and you guys still have glue like stuck in them on the walls inside in it, like this is a special life hack. Like you put water inside of it, Put a bit of water, and then shake it up. And then just pour it in. Yeah. And just pour it in. It might have a little bit it might have bubbles, but it's okay. You don't need to wait until they disappear or dissolve. See? Then you have to start mixing it so it's well combined with the glue and they'll have the water. So yeah. And at least mix for at least maybe, I don't know. At least mix for 20 seconds. Okay,
put some laundry detergent.
Okay, actually, there's no more in here, so I'm actually going to go get some. Be right back. So hey guys, we're back with more detergent, and let's just put it inside the spoon. Just in case, we do little by little sometimes. Let's just do art. There. Looks like snowman. Oh guys! It's working. Okay, I need to add more laundry detergent. Oh, that's a lot.
But it makes it more better.
It's hard to mix. So this isn't really our first time making slime. We made slime a million times before.
Yeah, lots of them.
Some of them are fails, some of them are success.
But more not detergent. It's coming together, guys. Look.
Oh, we get sloppy.
You get very gooey. I think we should already grab it. But we need to add in the glitter.
But first we need to mix until it's well combined.
Okay, let me mix with 2 spoons while you open the glitter.
Now I have to it's getting hard.
Get it all off the plate. And it's kind of sticking to the plate.
Okay, wait.
That looks so sticky.
It's getting all over me. Because I'm wearing long sleeve. By the way, guys, if you guys are probably thinking why are we so dressed up, it's because we went to the movies.
Yeah, we watched Pitch Perfect Part 3.
And it was a really good movie, actually.
Yeah.
I think I got a little bit of my thumb.
I'm so bad at videos.
Okay, let's just get it off.
Yeah. No, but if it gets sticky.
Oh my god, the glitter almost fell.
It's so beautiful.
Beautiful. You hadn't even added anything to it. What is it?
I thought this was going to be a fail because first it sounded pretty, so it's actually a success. I can't believe David's still asleep.
He's always asleep. So we're talking about my brother.
But this is not really stretchable, just a little, a very rippable.
Oh my god. There's just some slime in here. I'm trying to get it all off.
Remember we made slime the other day with baby powder and baby oil? I still have it. It's very squishy. It's like a bit crunchy.
So let's put this. Yeah, put the slime in here. Okay. So now that's
But
Willie.
look what happened to the mess.
Okay, so I don't know how. Put it back in the bowl. So we can add the glitter.
Okay, add a little bit of glitter.
No, put the slime in there. Guys, make sure not to drop any glitter on your floor because it makes real big mess.
Yeah, just make it very glittery, like all the glitter.
Make sure
we
not to
can.
drop any. Look, some already dropped. I'll just put it on the bottom.
Yeah.
And also, glitter also makes things crunchy.
Yeah. Make it sound even better.
Hi. That's because it's our cousin. Bye.
Who's leaving?
Marla.
Okay, put more glitter.
More glitter. Gosh, this lady likes to sparkle. Oh my god. Oh, Itchy, no! Stop. We're making a mess. Okay, give me my glitter. No, oh my god. Okay, wait. Okay.
You mix. Let me clean this up. Let me get this
No,
towel.
Itchy.
What?
Don't do it with the towel. Don't do it with the towel.
Sorry. How can I get it here?
Just put it on the hanger right there.
Okay, it's on the top.
I feel like there's a slime fail, but with the glitter. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get it out now.
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna like stick it to the glitter that's on here.
So crunchy. Just get it to stick to the glitter.
Oh my god. It's sticking to me.
How is it sticky to you? Okay, stick it all to the glitter.
Okay, let me clean this up. Then we're just making a disaster.
Yeah, this is a disaster with the glitter.
Oh, I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm Pitch Perfect 3. You know Stacy, the one that like is into boys a lot. Not the one with like gold hair.
With the
Her-
blonde.
No, she's not the blonde one. She's
Oh.
the one that had the baby. She was having a baby and it was 8 months that she had it inside, and she named her Bella, like the Barnum Bellas. The Bellas. Get it?
Okay, clean that up. I didn't wash my
And
hands.
they named her Bella.
Oh, look, there's extra.
Okay, I'm gonna put the stuff away. And there's glitter in there.
But you don't get to do that. It sticks. Let me put it back in the bowl. I'm gonna wash my hands.
But you're also gonna get.
This is such a disaster.
It's a mess. Just put everything in there. And also, guys, I got my nails done, and they're shellac. But let me turn it off. Don't play with the slime anymore.
No. Oh my god. Look, your slime.
Okay.
How is your slime sticky? Why is it sticky at all? Oh my god.
Okay, so we're gonna show you the
I'm
finishing.
putting some powder in
This
this.
is the finishing product of our holiday glitter slime. It would be better if we had like, how do you say it, red glitter.
We made this slime last night.
And let's see,
It's some glitter.
Okay, well yeah guys, bye, and see you guys in my next video.